Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a Creand credit card online. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for a Creand credit card. Then click on the first link that pops up. So as you can see, they will show you a numerous list of credit cards. You guys could choose from them by scrolling downwards. Then once you're sure what you want, you're going to click on Learn More. Then as you can see, they'll show you the benefits and features of that specific card. Then you're going to scroll upwards and click on Request. So here you're going to insert your personal information, your phone number, as well as your preferred office where you're going to pick up the credit card. So once you insert all those, you're going to click on the box and click on Send. So after that, they'll contact you after some time. So this is how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.